Introducing the Born 10.1-inch Android tablet, exclusively available at Aldi. Built for productivity and entertainment, this tablet delivers a seamless experience that you can bring with you wherever you go. Inside the box, you'll find the 10.1-inch tablet, a USB-C cable for charging, a card tray pin, a user manual and warranty card. On the top side of the tablet, you'll find the reset hole, the volume up and down button, the power button, and a 3.5mm aux port if you'd like to use wired headphones. On the left side of the tablet, you have a micro SD card slot, which supports an SD card up to 512GB, and a USB-C charging port. On the bottom side of the tablet, you'll see a set of 2 speakers for clear audio output, as well as a microphone hole which picks up any audio if you want to record a video or make a video call. Before first use, it's recommended to charge your tablet for at least 2 hours, or until fully charged. You can do this by connecting the supplied USB-C cable to a USB-A power adapter or a computer. If the battery is extremely low, it may take up to 5 minutes for the charging indicator to appear on the screen. To turn it on, simply press and hold the power button until the screen lights up and wait for the tablet to boot up. During the initial setup, you'll be guided through connecting to Wi-Fi. Simply select the appropriate Wi-Fi network and enter in your password. You'll also be asked to create a Google account if you don't have one already. You will need a Google account to be able to download apps from the Google Play Store. You'll also have the ability to customize preferences like screen timeout and notifications, and you can also set a PIN for added security. On the tablet, there are 3 soft buttons that always remain on the screen and will be there to help you navigate throughout the tablet. The first button is the return button. This allows you to go back to the previous page if applicable. Do note that if you're already on the main screen, then you can't go back any further. The middle circular button is the home screen button, which will take you back to the main screen. Finally, the square button on the right will bring up a list of recently used applications. Also, if you'd like to customize your home screen, including changing the wallpaper or adding widgets to the home screen, press and hold any blank area on the home screen to bring up these options. Out of the box, all of Google's suite of applications are installed, including the Chrome browser and YouTube, but you can add any other app available by opening up the Google Play Store. You need to make sure you're logged into your Google account to do this. You can search for your favorite apps and games and download and install them as shown here. To power off or restart the tablet, simply hold the power button for a few seconds and this menu will appear on the screen. You can select from power off, restart or lockdown, which is where you can set a password and ensure that no one else will be able to get into the tablet. To open the tablet settings, simply swipe down from the top of the screen to quick access certain settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, torch and other options. This tablet does support Bluetooth, so you can connect a device such as Bluetooth headphones to listen to audio wirelessly. If you'd ever like to take a screenshot, press the volume down and power buttons at the same time to capture the current screen. On your tablet, you can also capture moments with the 8-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front cameras. Simply open up the camera app and you can switch between photo and video modes. You can access and toggle settings by swiping right within the camera app. You can save your photos or videos directly to the tablet or to an external micro SD card. If you do want to use a micro SD card for additional storage, simply take the card tray pin tool that comes with the tablet and pop it in the slot to open it up as demonstrated here. But don't use excessive force or you may damage the hole. If you experience issues like the tablet not turning on, ensure that it's fully charged. If you are sure that the tablet is charged but the screen is still black, use a pin to insert into the reset hole and follow through setting up the tablet again. If a particular app is running slow, make sure that you have the latest version of it installed. Go to the Google Play Store, look for the app, and see if there is an update button available. If the system in general is running slowly, try first restarting the tablet. If you haven't restarted the system in a while, there may be a lot of apps running in the background. You can also check for a system update by going to Settings, then System Update, and it will tell you if there is an update available or not. Failing that, you might need to do a factory reset. You can either do this by using the reset hole or go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, then Erase all data. Please note that it will wipe any personal data such as apps and files you have saved on the tablet, so you may need to back up first. Lastly, you can also connect this tablet to a PC to transfer data. But if you connect it and your computer does not recognize the tablet, please note that some USB-C cables are only appropriate for charging and not data transfer, so you may need a different cable. We hope you enjoy your newborn 10.1-inch tablet. For additional support, please don't hesitate to contact us at 1-300-002-534 or visit www.born.com.au.